in order to be able to work with 50 people, you need to do things differently. We are going to use some methodologies, and most of them come from an area that is called creative problem solving. And these techniques, you will be able to steal them and use them in your everyday job, because every day you are solving some problems, and every day it's good to be able to find some new creative solutions. I'm going to show you how digital can enhance the collaborative experience. And it's by combining the high-tech tools and the traditional low-tech tools that you will have the best results. After getting all this inspiration, you will produce a lot of seeds of ideas, so that next we can grow the seeds, take some of the seeds, assemble them, and grow them into one concept. Well, now you can have a look at that and say, well, can we add some technology? Can we do things differently to make it even more innovative? We should just end by a big round of applause. Bravo, everybody, and thank you very much.